Let's watch the video capturing the tense moments and allowing us to observe from the closest perspective the strategic actions of the firefighters to control the situation.
How's the gas tank just blew up?
On February 11, 2018, a highway in Hebei province, China turned into a sea of fire after a serious accident. A tanker truck overturned, causing fuel to spill across the roadway. As a car passed by, huge sparks from the vehicle accidentally ignited the fuel, triggering a massive blaze that spread rapidly, directly threatening another nearby vehicle. The fire left 8 people injured, 2 of whom were in critical condition. On August 29, 2021, a massive fire engulfed the 18-story Torre dei Moro residential building in Milan, Italy. The blaze started on the 15th floor and spread rapidly due to the highly flammable cladding, covering the entire building within minutes. Around 70 households were safely evacuated in time, preventing any casualties. The cause of the fire has not yet been disclosed, but the incident has raised concerns about the safety of building materials and fire prevention regulations. At around 3 a.m. on October 11, 2020, a massive fire broke out at a 3-story building on Wurtel Street in Montreal, Canada. The building, which housed both residential units and a store, was quickly engulfed in flames, prompting firefighters to raise the alarm to level 5 and deploy a large number of personnel and equipment to contain the blaze. Due to the fire's rapid spread and intensity, firefighters implemented multiple firefighting strategies, including protecting nearby structures. After 8 hours of relentless effort, the fire was fully extinguished. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the building suffered severe damage. The cause of the fire has not yet been disclosed. A serious fire broke out a building on Rue de la Hochette in Paris on February 1, 2015, trapping several residents inside. In a critical situation, firefighters deployed rescue ladders to safely evacuate the trapped individuals, ensuring there were no casualties. Due to the narrow street, firefighting efforts faced significant challenges, but after hours of hard work, the fire was completely extinguished. Although there were no human losses, the building suffered extensive damage and required major repairs following the incident.
At 6:58 a.m. on February 15, 2024, the Wilmington Fire Department responded to a fire involving a compressed natural gas (CNG) truck at 1120 North Alameda Street in the Wilmington area. While extinguishing the fire, one of the two CNG tanks of the vehicle suddenly exploded, creating a massive fireball and damaging a nearby transformer. The explosion injured at least 7 firefighters, including 2 who sustained serious injuries.
We've had an explosion of a CNG truck. We've got multiple firefighters down. Hey, we got a firefighter down! Our conscious is breathing right now.
Rescue teams quickly transported the teams for emergency medical care. The situation is now under control, but an investigation into the cause of the incident is still ongoing.
A massive fire devastated this Serbian Orthodox Cathedral in New York on May 1st, 2016. The blaze broke out in the afternoon, quickly spreading from the window area and threatening to engulf the entire roof. Most of the church was destroyed, leaving only its outer walls standing. Fortunately, many priceless artifacts were preserved intact, and only one firefighter sustained minor injuries. The fire deeply shocked the community, as the cathedral was not only a historic architectural landmark, but also a vital spiritual symbol for the Serbian community in New York.
On December 8, 2023, an explosion engulfed a paint factory in Dandenong South, reducing it to ashes. According to estimates, the fire resulted in 1 worker's death, 2 injured firefighters, and 2 others sustaining severe injuries.
Fire on Cockam Avenue.
A fire broke out at an auto repair shop in New York, fueled by flammable materials such as oil, tires, and gasoline.
How's the gas tank just blew up?
The fire department from a small station implemented a forward lay method to quickly supply water.
Oh, you can feel the heat.
Despite challenges with manpower and response time, they managed to control the blaze using a 2.5-inch hose and effectively employed a master stream. The fire was extinguished within 15 to 20 minutes of the fire department's arrival. While the property damage was significant, with several vehicles completely destroyed, there were no reported injuries and the fire was contained without spreading. fire at a heritage-listed building on Randall Street, Surrey Hills, Sydney, mobilised over 30 fire trucks and 120 firefighters from stations across the city to contain the blaze on May 26, 2023. The building was completely engulfed in flames within 30 minutes, resulting in minor injuries to one firefighter. Following an investigation, two 13-year-old teenagers were charged in connection with the fire that destroyed the centuries-old building.
Due to the extreme intense heat, broken these windows or caused these windows to fracture. The main fire, as you can see, the windows are fractured here as well.
On July 7, 2016, a sudden bus fire broke out in Mallorca, Spain. An articulated bus caught fire on Pasig Sagrera at around 7:30 p.m., producing a thick column of black smoke that engulfed the street. Emergency responders, including police, firefighters, and medical personnel, were immediately dispatched to the scene. Fortunately, no one was injured. However, the bus was completely destroyed by the flames, and the cause of the fire remains unknown.
A serious fire broke out on Christmas morning, December 25th, 2019, at a 5-story building located at 409 East 69th Street in Lenox Hill, Manhattan, New York City. The fire started on the 5th floor around 12 p.m., and firefighting efforts by 145 firefighters were significantly hindered by extreme clutter inside the apartments, making entry difficult.
And command of Battalion 9, switch over to a command channel. 10-4, I get you.
Eventually, the fire was brought under control, but 4 firefighters sustained minor injuries. Additionally, 2 apartments on the 5th floor and 2 units below suffered severe damage. A bus unexpectedly caught fire while in motion, with the flames reportedly originating from the glove compartment. The Lunterran Fire Department swiftly responded, deploying their team to the scene. In a short time, the water spraying system was activated, and the firefighting efforts proved effective. Although the bus suffered significant damage, the timely response of the fire crew greatly minimized the overall loss.
Erik.
July 10th, 2024, a major fire broke out at a chemical plant located in Derrimut, Australia. The cause was identified as a chemical explosion, with large quantities of chemicals catching fire in succession, making rescue and firefighting efforts extremely challenging. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, as authorities managed to evacuate residents in time. With the efforts of 180 firefighters and 50 fire trucks, the blaze was brought under control after several hours. However, the fire left severe consequences, as toxic smoke from the plant caused air and water pollution in the area.
On July 6, 2017, a truck fire on Interstate 70 near Salina, Kansas, led to a blaze that spread to a nearby field. The truck, loaded with hay, unexpectedly caught fire, with the flames believed to have originated from the cab before spreading to the cargo area. Due to the highly flammable nature of hay, the fire quickly intensified, completely consuming the cab and spreading to the surrounding grassland. Firefighters responded swiftly, deploying various measures to contain the flames and prevent further spread. Thanks to their efforts, half of the hay on the truck was saved, and fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. We hope you found every moment enjoyable, and we would be honored if you subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.